Okay guys, here we are. I wanted to make sure you really got this. I'm going to go through it really quick. This is the seasons. This is going to be perihelion, which means a time when the Earth is closer to the sun. You can see here that in the northern hemisphere that it is actually winter because we're facing away from the sun because of the axis. In the southern hemisphere it's summer because they directly face the sun more directly. This happens in December, and it's called the winter solstice. As we travel around the sun, we find that we are now in the spring in the northern hemisphere. It's fall in the southern hemisphere. The axial tilt has no effect now because days and night time is equal at 12 hours. This happens in March. We're going to go more around the sun. I'm going to back up a little bit so you can tell that we're now actually further away from the sun. There's the sun. We're actually further away from the sun, and this is called aphelion. And aphelion is when it's summer. It's the summer solstice, and it's summer in the northern hemisphere, winter in the southern hemisphere. That's because the northern hemisphere faces the sun more directly, and the southern hemisphere faces away from the sun. This happens in June, summer solstice. We're going to travel around. We're going to find, if we can, the sun's not great, but here we are in the fall, autumnal equinox. Equinox means equal. Again, day and night is equal at 12 hours. It's fall in the northern hemisphere and spring in the southern hemisphere. And this happens in September. And then we'll go back all the way over here to winter solstice where we started.